Hi everyone, my name is Iona and I'm a garden interpreter here at Royal Botanical Gardens. Today I'm in Hendry Park and I'm going to show you a few interesting ways to notice and engage with the gardens. With Come to Your Senses, we're exploring how plants, ecosystem, and people interact in unexpected ways using a variety of senses. So let's go explore and see what we can find. I'm standing near the pond in the Helen M. Kipback's garden, which houses native plants and wildflowers. Here, I'm going to purposefully notice sound. Soft sounds like trickling water are soothing and have been proven to help the brain enter a meditative state. Taking time to notice sounds like the wind through the grasses or the croak of a frog can be calming and help you re-energize for the day. Trees release oils from their leaves, and when it rains, those oils become airborne like an aerosol spray. Trees such as evergreens, like these yew trees, tend to have strong, earthy scents from their oils that can be smelled even without the rain. Scent also changes depending on time of day. This is due to many factors such as temperature and humidity, but also because of the pollinators. In the early morning and evening, many pollinators are hard at work gathering food, and when they move from flower to flower, they stir up pollen, activating the scent and spreading it in the air. To best enjoy scent in the garden, remember to smell the flowers and the trees too, and try visiting at different times of day to experience different scents. This is the white garden, which has been planted with white-toned plants and flowers to emphasize texture and shape, which we can explore with our sense of sight. In the center of this garden is a large honey locust tree, which is going to help me notice a unique sense of temperature, or thermoception. This honey locust is cooling me down through the shade that it provides, but also through a process called transpiration cooling. Moisture is carried through plants from their roots to small pores on the undersides of their leaves, where it changes to vapor and then is released into the atmosphere. Transpiration is essentially evaporation of water from plant leaves. When you need to cool off in the gardens, find yourself a nice spot and enjoy some transpiration. There are so many ways to connect to your surroundings using your senses. When you're visiting the gardens, remember to take time to pause and notice new things. Using your senses will enhance your experience, help you relax and de-stress, and better connect you with nature. Thank you for watching. Have a sensational day.